Greetings, comrades. It is I, Miriam, the only Miriam, and thank you so much for tuning in. So real quick, today we are going to learn how to say to like, to dislike, to hate, and to love in Armenian, or how to express our likes and our dislikes. And since we are on this topic, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the zangak or the bell icon to receive notifications from this channel. Comment down below and check out the description box for links to previous videos and the interest form for my new online one-on-one Armenian tutoring program. So first of all, to say to love in Armenian, because love is the most powerful source out there and I love you all, sirel is to love. Sirel. You see, ser means love, but it can also mean sex, not just the action, but also the word for gender. And I know that's quite inappropriate, but then again, I'm just teaching language here. Sirt actually means heart. Sirt actually means heart. And that's rather similar to serce in Russian or like heart in other sorts of Slavic languages. In fact, even the word cardiac is related to sirt, but anyways, sirel. To conjugate it, we say yes sirumem, I love, du sirumes, you love, duk sirumek, y'all love, na sirume, he or she loves, and menk sirumek, meaning we love, but also narank sirumen, they love. But here's the deal. Whenever you want to say that you love, it comes after the pronoun. Like for example, if I want to say I love you, we would say yes kez sirumyam. And kez is like the reflexive version of you. I have a video coming out on reflexive pronouns, so stay tuned. But moving forward. Now the opposite of to love is to hate, and that is atel, to hate, atel. Here's a small note on sentence structure. You can also put the noun or the subject that you hate or love at the end of the sentence. I like to say that I hate mathematics because I literally do. It would be yes atum yem matematika. On a more positive note, to like something is havanel. Havanel, to like. And here's the deal. This verb functions a lot like how it does in English, in a sense where this can be used to say that you like something, but also if you have a crush on someone, you say yes havanumem so-and-so. But here's the deal. We also have this other expression in Armenian, and you can't really directly translate it, but durgal is the infinitive form for to like, for this very bizarre expression. And it's really difficult to translate because dur quite literally means door, so I don't think it's related to this sentence, but gal means to come. So I don't know how this expression came to be. I don't know what exactly it's supposed to mean, but dur gal means to like. And here's the deal. For this expression, when you would like to say that you like something, you don't use yes, meaning I, but you use the reflexive version of that, which is ins, meaning to me. I will explain this in a separate video, but if I would like to say I like something with this very bizarre way of saying to like, I would say ins du regalis ais tortem, this cake. You can also say dur chi galis, meaning it does not please me, or I don't like it. It's the same sort of expression for to like, using negation. Also, I do have a video up on negation, so please be sure to check that out. And I forgot to mention this earlier, but the same rule applies for saying to not love, to not like, to not hate. You just use the ch sound kind of as the not. And if you're confused to what I mean, please be sure to check out that video on negation. It explains practically everything you need to know. And you see, we don't really have an entire word for dislike. It's just not like, chahavanel. Anyways, that is all for today's video. I know that we dabbled into some concepts that are a bit more difficult, but please stay tuned. I do have videos coming out very soon regarding all of those shenanigans. And please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the zangak or the bell icon to receive notifications from this channel. And thank you so much for tuning in. Shach narkal tune, you've Ctesnvենք.